Are you wondering why is the video quality on your mini drone actually getting suddenly actually like stripy or very bad? So maybe you simply have like stripes going all around, or again maybe the colors go like complete crazy on this drone. So the thing is, there are two things that actually cause this problem. First is if you actually go out of the range with the drone, that will cause basically a lot of stripes basically appear on the image. Also the image quality will become very bad as well. So when it comes to the actual range this drone has, so after actually testing it, I think it's reliable up to maybe like 30 meters. So if you go past that, again, so the connection isn't very good and stable, and again the picture quality probably won't be even usable. And also the second thing which causes this is if you simply have your battery running low. So again, yeah, basically, so if your drone is running low on battery, it doesn't have sufficient voltage to operate basically all systems on the drone. And the first thing to actually go is the camera. So again, if you're basically, yeah, basically you see some stripes basically on your so that actually most likely means that you simply need to recharge your battery. So again, this is what I have found on this drone. Anyway, good luck.